How to use Spotify on a smart TV. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have connected your TV. Like make sure it is connected to a internet, or it can also be connected to a Ethernet, right? So after doing that, you should now open the App Store on your smart TV. Then from there, you need to go to your smart TV's App Store. For example, it could also be the Google Play or Store Samsung apps, or it could also be LG Connect Content Store, right? So after going through that here, what we're going to do is simply search for Spotify. So after searching for Spotify, you can now start installing your Spotify, right? So simply select the Spotify and then click on install or get button, and then wait for the app to be downloaded and installed on your smart TV. After doing that, you can simply open the application, and then from there you can add in all of the credentials of your Spotify. You can add in your email or password, or you can even scan the QR code on the screen in order to connect it with your phone and log into your account. After doing that, you can now start enjoying your Spotify. You'll be all set. You can now start browsing your music playlist and even hear the podcast and enjoy it on your big screen. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.